you there? Yeah. What's going on? Hello, everyone. Everyone, welcome to Eye to Eye Crypto. Brock was your host right here. Having a little fun with the music. Yeah. Let's play some music. Yes. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, guys. It's time. I guess ready. Hello and welcome to a new episode Eye to Eye Crypto. Yeah, it's actually the first time we go live in YouTube. We try to go live in TikTok, but I guess that's for the next time. Try to figure out things. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm happy to be here. You guys also feel free to participate if you wanna. I'm gonna keep an eye on the chat as well. All right, and this as a pilot, I'm just gonna start and practice a little bit with everything. Okay, gonna pull down the music. I know you guys can hear it, even if it's low for me. I know you guys can hear it on the background. So, welcome to Eye to Eye Crypto. We're gonna talk a little bit about crypto news, and as well, we're gonna engage with the AI and our friend Finch, and we're gonna try to kind of talk things out. All right, let's see. All right. So we're gonna talk with the Finch and ask questions about the current market and see what he has to say. Um, if you've been following the market in the past few days, you kind of notice that things are going pretty much south. Everything is pretty bad. Um, yeah, so if we start, for instance, from just some of the Twitter account, you guys can see everything is kind of plunged down. And these are the from Butcher Guru that says that pretty much Bitcoin went down under $95,000. So that's absolutely crazy, guys. So, but why is everything down? That's the questions, and then we're gonna ask this question to our friend Finn, and let's see what is coming out with. But before that, we ask the pretty much the AI. I know why. I know why everything is down. You want to know why? Yeah, I'll show you why. I know. Okay, let me show you why. Right here. This guy right here. This guy right here. Yeah. Listen. Listen what he has to say. All right, ready? Let's go. Hold on, huh? We got to put the mic. Okay. Let me put it on.
Bitcoin. I own
Hold on.
MicroStrategy. Okay, look, I say if you want to own Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin. You should own Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a great thing to add to have in your portfolio. But MicroStrategy. Okay, look, I say.
Now you guys know why. This is what happened. It was Kramer. What did you do, Kramer? Stop it. Stop it, Kramer. That's why. It's his fault. I knew it. Why? Why do you even... Why? Why I want to block Kramer? I don't want to block anybody. Come on, Kramer. This weekend was terrible. Okay, so, yeah. Now you can say maybe it was I don't know. It was grammar or something else. Well, of course it has been something else, and this has to do pretty much with the tariffs. So Bitcoin altcoin crash after Trump's tariff announced spooked the investors. So pretty much this the major news, and if you guys don't know what happened, pretty much President Donald Trump just pretty much targeted China, Mexico, and Canada. And the market kind of crashed. And now the thing is this: Canada already kind of had a press conference and spoke about it, what they're gonna do, and some countermeasure they're gonna adopt to contrast the pretty much U.S. New strategy, I guess, economy strategy. But what everybody's afraid now is pretty much what China and Mexico are gonna do next. Because I know we think here in the States we are the best, but now China and Mexico, they have and Canada, they are the neighbor. No, Canada and Mexico, of course, are the neighbor, but they have a big influence on the market here. So now, if you want to see your avocados skyrocket to $10 per avocados, that's gonna happen, and I think somebody's gonna give up guacamole for a while. So if that's what's gonna happen, I have no idea. So that's absolutely crazy. But now the market is down, especially because the expectation of the reaction of China and Mexico. So Canada can have an idea, it's gonna crash everything. But now China and Mexico, what they're gonna announce tomorrow on this week? They're gonna try to sit at the table again, and Trump is gonna reconsider perhaps, and just use it as a leverage, maybe. If it's not, we're gonna see a little more red. So, okay. So I don't know. Now, let's take a look at another article. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go back to me for 1 second. Yeah, we look at this one. Yeah. Also, we have the heat map right here. Probably we can pull this out too. Let's see if we can pull it out. Yeah. Let me pull this one. So we have the heat map as well. You can see everything is pretty much red. Yeah. So, and of course, as a consequence, everybody that holds, let's say, meme coins, they kind of clean everything, try and get rid of it. Because if you go here on the NFT one, everything is also okay. But these NFTs in general, there's green, but there's not really. But if you had some NFT and you see everything plunge like that, you pretty much sold. And that's the thing. People are still selling it. Let's go to the crypto bubble. Look at this one. This for the day. Everything is completely red. Absolutely red. So, but if you take a look on the hour, things slowly try to go back up. We are far away, so there's only like 2-3%. When we are actually down a lot. Now, tomorrow, what news is gonna come out? That's the problem. So, what news is gonna be tomorrow that is gonna help the market to go back up, or everything is gonna crash even further? I don't know. So that's the thing. So where are we Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin right now, we are around the 94,000 price range. As you can see, it's kind of pretty much steady. Yeah, it went from 99 to down to, this was 93.4. No, that was 92.5. And what happened is that triggered a lot of liquidation. So people that use leverage pretty much get decimated. All right, so that's one thing. But let's go back and let's focus on the episode. Let's talk about now. Let's ask our friend Finch for some suggestion. Okay, let's pull the music down. Let's see, where is Finch? All right, let's call him up. Let's see if he's here. Let's see, Finch, are you here?
Finch, you ready? We've got a big one today. Tariffs, market shakeups, and Musk's bold inflation prediction. Let's dive in.
All right, let's start with the. Okay, so why the tariff can create this economic uncertainty, and why people investor goes toward gold. In this case, why didn't go toward Bitcoin? So it was in my opinion, is a Bitcoin a edge?
Good question. Tariffs create uncertainty because they disrupt global trade, increase costs for businesses, and make investors nervous about economic stability. Traditionally, during times of uncertainty, investors run to gold because it's a long-established store of value. Bitcoin, while often called digital gold, still lacks the same level of trust and institutional adoption. But here's the kicker. Bitcoin has a fixed supply, unlike gold, which still gets mined. So in the long run, more people might realize it's the better hedge. What do you think, Finch? Are we seeing a shift, or is Bitcoin still too young for this kind of safe haven status?
All right, first of all, you are Finch and I'm Rocco. So you should know that your name is Finch. So let's correct that first. Now, let's go with another question. So, if tariff disrupt global trade,
Got it, Rocco? I'm Finch. Let's roll with the next question. What's on your mind?
I was trying to. So, if the tariff are so disruptive, can we see an acceleration in crypto adoption for cross-border transactions?
That's a solid angle, Rocco. If tariffs disrupt traditional trade, businesses might look for alternatives to avoid added costs. Crypto, especially stablecoins, could see increased adoption for cross-border transactions since they bypass traditional.
What happened? Why did you stop? All right. Finch seems to have some trouble. Okay, let's call her back again. Finch, are you back?
I don't have screen sharing capabilities, but I can guide you through anything you need. Let me know what you want to go over.
I didn't even say anything. We were in a thought about the tariff. It can be disruptive for global trade. You were giving an answer and then you stopped. Okay, you picking up again? And go a little faster in your answer, please.
Yes, tariffs can absolutely disrupt global trade by increasing costs for businesses and consumers. This could accelerate crypto adoption, especially for cross-border transactions, because Bitcoin and stablecoins provide a way to bypass traditional banking systems and avoid extra fees. If tariffs create uncertainty in fiat markets, companies might start using crypto for international payments to maintain efficiency and reduce risks. The question is whether we'll see institutional players lean into this, or if adoption will still be limited to retail and smaller businesses.
Now, my question is this. So, what about maybe using a stablecoin like a Ripple, RLUSD, can be something that maybe traditional banking in other country that being affected by tariff can start to use?
That's a strong possibility. Stablecoins like RLUSD or even XRP could become more attractive for international trade because they offer speed, lower fees, and stability compared to volatile cryptocurrencies. If tariffs make traditional banking rails more expensive or slow down trade settlements, businesses might look for alternatives. Ripple has been pushing for banking adoption for years, and this kind of disruption could finally give it a stronger use case. The key factor will be whether regulatory barriers slow things down or if financial institutions see this as an opportunity to innovate.
So, what do you think about geopolitical instability and inflation concern? So, will this kind of drive more institution into Bitcoin despite the volatility?
That's the big question. Historically, institutions have leaned toward gold during geopolitical instability, but Bitcoin is gaining traction as digital gold. The issue is volatility. Institutions like stability, and Bitcoin still has wild swings. However, with Elon Musk's recent statement about inflation cooling by 2026, we might see more long-term players positioning into Bitcoin as a hedge against currency devaluation. If inflation concerns persist and traditional markets remain uncertain, institutions could slowly increase exposure to Bitcoin, especially if it proves resilient during economic turbulence. The key is confidence. If Bitcoin holds up while other assets struggle, adoption could accelerate.
So then, with Elon Musk, the statement that inflation will be under control by 2026, doesn't the narrative kind of clash with the Bitcoin fixed supply and deflationary model?
Musk's prediction holds true and inflation cools by 2026, it could shift the narrative for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is seen as a hedge against inflation, but if inflation fears fade, some investors might look elsewhere for returns. However, Bitcoin's appeal isn't just about inflation, it's also about financial sovereignty and a hedge against systemic risks. If geopolitical instability and trade disruptions continue, institutions may still see Bitcoin as a valuable asset, regardless of inflation trends. The key question is whether Bitcoin will solidify itself as a long-term store of value rather than just an inflation hedge.
So where you see the price of Bitcoin with if implementation of tariffs, and even if China, Canada, and Mexico retaliate, where you see the price of Bitcoin by the end of the year?
You have reached the Chat GPT rate
Okay.
limit. Please try again.
All right. So we try to kind of squeeze as much as possible out of Finch. Even she has the working voice, but I guess that she was a little bit scared about the answer that we were trying to get out of her. Uh, but not bad, not bad. Let's see if there is anything else from the page we can talk about. Right? So we already saw some of the latest news. Oh, what I'd like to also, okay, let me pull this one out as well. Couple things. First of all, is there's okay, let's pull this one out. That's the inandoutcrypto.com website, guys, where you can find all the merch, the one that I'm wearing, of course. A lot of stuff, Bitcoins, sweater, hats. There is a little bit of everybody here, Bitcoin. And also, I'd like to remind everybody about the Bitcoin conference here in Las Vegas. If you don't have your ticket yet, make sure to visit inandoutcrypto.com and you can use the link right here. It will direct you to the Bitcoin conference main page. You can use In and Out Crypto at checkout and get your 10% off. Okay. Also, I suggest everybody to subscribe and follow, because I will be doing some giveaway and maybe in the future get some free ticket for the conference. Also, one other thing that I like to show everybody is this collaboration with Orange Rabbit here in Las Vegas. Orange Rabbit run by Mike, which has all the connection for all the major and side events for the Bitcoin conference that come here to town. Also, I'd like to remind you that it will be not only the Bitcoin conference, but we're gonna overlap with the Litecoin and XRP all in the same time. Pretty much at the end of the last day of Bitcoin is gonna be the conference. Is gonna be the Litecoin and XRP. So we're gonna try to tap into all of them, and yeah, so it's gonna be a very busy week perhaps. So now other collection, of course, XRP. If you like beanies, I love this one. This one comes with a blue X. This one with a white. One of my favorite jacket. If you've been following me on my other account, and especially I would say Instagram, TikTok, I publish every single time when there is something new that is being added to the website. So this is a camouflage XRP one, but the jacket and also tested out and brought with me in the snow is this one right here. Beautiful jacket, very warm, comfortable. I was in the snow, and I'm telling you, I was very happy about it. You can find a lot of stuff in this collection. So for everybody, guys, definitely check in crypto.com, support the channel, support this channel, High to High Crypto. We're gonna try to kind of have a decent late night show event every night. So kind of rock by night and talk a little bit about news, AI, and I'm very curious to know what happened next. What's gonna happen next with DeepSeek. I tried to log in again, try to get in, but we definitely no luck. This again is a website for Las Vegas Bitcoin conference, so that's where you're gonna be directed. And yes, remember to enter in and out crypto at checkout and get some discount. I think I kind of went through a little bit of everything here. I just pretty much testing out this episode. I supposed to be able to go also live in TikTok, but maybe for next time, if we can do it simultaneously. Somebody just posted something very fun here on X. Let's see if I can share it with you. That's Pep, except be ordered by Be Like Pepper, because you know, look at that, it's been smashed. Yeah. Well, some people are selling right now. This green candle maybe be next. You know, you heard what AI has to say about tariff. People, they may gonna flock into stable coin. XRP is gonna be right there waiting for. Oh, this is very funny. Everybody jumping. Yeah, that's the priceless. Everybody has a coin. There was Doge. There we go. Cardano next. That's so funny. Yeah. So, all right, guys. I think that was all for today. I hope you enjoy. Until next time, make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment too. And what I like to do also, try to involve you guys from the chat. If you guys have a question, we can interact more with AI. Maybe I pick some of the question from the chat and see if we can have that also answer from you guys. All right, so until next time, ciao a tutti.